TINA Network Systems designs, manufactures and supplies earthing and short-circuiting solutions to the electrical industry. We have over 30 years' experience in the electrical safety business. In this video, we hope to dispel some of the common myths and inform you of the facts. See how many of the following questions you can answer correctly. A grounded network is a dead network and cannot become energized. True or false?
A grounded network may become energized from numerous sources, including induced voltage, earth fault, lightning strike, accidental switch on. While rare, this can happen.
A grounded network will always trip the breaker. True or false?
A grounded network may not always trip the breaker, particularly if the earth rod is made of stainless steel. With a poor earth connection and high soil resistivity, it is highly unlikely that an earth fault will ever trip the breaker.
By tripping a breaker, we always protect the worker. True or false?
Earth fault relays are usually set at 0.35 seconds. This is almost 12 times the amount of time it takes to kill a human being.
You will always know when GRP is present. True or false?
There is no visible indication of ground rise potential. Work site safety procedures should be put in place to minimize the danger caused by GRP at all times.
A disconnected or non-commissioned network cannot become energized. True or false?
Energization has many sources which are both unpredictable and uncontrollable, and all of which create the danger of GRP.
The effects of GRP are only dangerous close to the grounding rod. True or false?
In our demonstration, the line has become energized, and so has the earth rod, which is positioned 2 meters away from the fence. This has energized the fence and created a voltage difference between the gate and the gate post. On a 20 kV earth fault, this voltage difference would be 4,540 volts. The closer the earth rod is to the fence, the greater the voltage drop, and the greater the danger for landowners a distance away.
Earthing a machine makes the work site safer. True or false?
In the event of a machine coming into contact with an energized line, the ground immediately surrounding the machine becomes live. If the machine is earthed, this only serves to double the danger zone.
The position of a ground rod is not important. True or false?
Positioning of a ground rod has major safety implications for ground workers and the general public. Depending on the prevailing voltage, grounding rods should not be within 10 metres of unprotected ground workers or areas of public access.
It doesn't matter what short-circuiting equipment is used, true or false.
Damstra Laboratories tested 1 metre of 25 square millimetre copper conductor for fault currents possible on 400 kV systems and 380 volt industrial supplies. The conductor on the 380 volt system only survived for 38 milliseconds, whereas the conductor on the 400 kV system was still intact after 1 second. This is because the fault current possible on a 400 kV system is only 6,500 amps, but on the 380 volt system it can reach 37,000 amps. These tests show us that safety equipment must be fit for purpose, and you simply cannot address a 37 kA hazard with a 6.5 kA solution.
The purpose of this test is to get you to consider the implications of the choices that you make while on the worksite. Know how your safety procedures work, or have them explained to you. I hope we have dispelled some of the common myths and confirmed the facts. Above all, remember that your safety and the safety of the general public is far too important to leave in someone else's hands. Sometimes the correct choice is not always the obvious one.